Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. The Bustamante Industrial Trade Union, BITU, is calling for guidelines to inform company changes relating to digital transition. In an interview with the Business Day, BITU President Senator Cavan Gale says that's one of the challenges in the ongoing consultations with Scotiabank regarding the bank's 2 impending branch closures. Andrew Lately reports.
As the global focus shifts from physical to digital transactions, BITU President Senator Cavan Gale is demanding a framework outlining how existing staff should be treated in workplace restructuring.
As a small, independent state, there has to be a smoother approach in terms of what is required for customers, what is required for the clients, and what is required for some small businesses to move towards this transition. So what we need is a change management framework.
The trade unionist is also urging financial institutions to engage the union before agreeing on the way forward.
Include us in those plans so that we are better able to assist in the preparation of our members towards these transitions. It is going to be one where, as part of the strategic initiative, the question of training and development comes in, so that the employees who operate today in particular roles can transition into other roles.
At the same time, Senator Gale says more work must be done to grow the knowledge capacity of the workforce to meet the changing demands.
And I would also make a call that as a country, we need to start developing and training our citizens towards embracing a digital platform. And so areas and avenues must be presented where this transition of development can take place.
Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, CIBC First Caribbean has announced plans to close its Twin Gates branch effective January 27 next year. CIBC Managing Director Nigel Holness says the decision to close the branch was made against the background of an increase in the number of clients opting to use the bank's online services and in-branch transactions declining. All accounts at the Twin Gates branch will be transferred to the nearby Halfway Tree branch. Staff at the branch will be redeployed to other branches where possible, and those unable to be retained will be offered separation packages. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $147.25. The Canadian dollar is going for $110.63. The pound closed at $191.18, while the euro is being sold for $174.47. The JC Index lost 1,403 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 24 points. Among the winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, and Dolphin Cove. On the losing side were Caribbean Cream, Fosrich, Blue Power Group, Stanley Motor, and Kingston Properties. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.
The Business Day on Mondays, brought